Let's draw a flying dinosaur called a pterodactyl. First, draw its head with a beak. Now, add its mouth and the crest on its head. Deep sky blue. Let's draw the dinosaur's body. And now its wing. Don't forget to draw its fingers. And one of its back legs. Now add the second wing with fingers and the second back leg.